And we have a lot to catch up about. Alright you guys, good morning, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I'm gonna be doing actually my first work vlog of 2022, which is so crazy. So I just finished like getting ready. I got a silk press this week that I'm really loving. I like to wear it kind of like clipped back a little bit while I'm at work. You know, with a little clip back and then just a little bang of some sort. So we might do that for today. But yes, let's go ahead and get started. I actually need to log on to work very soon. So I have my green juice waiting for me and then my lemon water. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Honestly, I'm so excited to be vlogging. I've missed vlogging and we have a lot to catch up about. So did I miss a piece of hair in the back? Fix that. It's snowing. Can you guys see it? I feel like I took a lot of January to just kind of ease into the new year and, you know, do all those New Year's resolutions. But I did want to show you guys. I typically work kind of in the dark. This mirror is something that I recently added, which I really love. I got this plant, and then also in my room, I got a big mirror right there. And then I also got this mirror here, which is so freaking adorable. I got this from Target. This sign I already had, and then these two big mirrors are from Walmart. So yeah, that is kind of the house update, the apartment update. It's been pretty crazy, just like kind of adjusting to everything. And honestly, having more space is so nice. But with it being winter time and stuff, it kind of forces you to stay inside. And I think that has made me kind of sit with myself a lot more and reflect and think and plan. I made some green juice, which I've really been into the routine of. I've been trying to set a lot of new habits and routines this past month. It is currently the end of January and I was like, I have to vlog before the end of this month because I don't know, for me vlogging is also an opportunity to document my life, and it's a really cool chance for me to just kind of see my progress, see my growth, and I just love looking back on my own vlog. I've not really been taking the time to slow down, so I've been getting back into yoga and like doing that regularly throughout the week, and just like taking time to journal and read and like cultivate new habits that I know will really help me. So yeah, I just figured I would chat on that. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys saw that I juice a lot and I sometimes post it on IG. So this is celery and cucumber. I usually use like green apple, ginger, celery, cucumber. I'm gonna dive into some work. I just created a to-do list for the day because I have quite a few things to do and I don't want to forget them. In some of my videos I talk about how difficult like food science is as a subject, and so even when doing the work after like getting your degree, you do run into hiccups and you do run into situations that like you have to problem solve. And I think this week has been a huge like testament of that, because this week started off with a 6 a.m. meeting on Monday, and that's just because we've been having to kind of like troubleshoot and figure out what we can do to like reassess the project that we're working on, to say the least. I've just been trying to, you know, work with my team and finish this project because there's other things that we're supposed to work on this year that I'm personally really excited about, and I like a little bit of diversity at work. There's another project that I get to work on that is so exciting, and I will probably share more of it a little bit later, but it involves like videos. It's so exciting. And so I think that's been really cool to be able to do some of that even at work. So I have done a little bit of work and I just made some oatmeal. It's about to be 11, which I have my first meeting today at 11. Y'all, I got this sweater. From the thrift store last weekend. This sweater was actually brand new from the thrift and I'm obsessed. Like, it has these brown buttons and it's so warm, and it was like $10 or $12, which is usually kind of expensive to get from the thrift, but I was like, it's brand new, it still had the tags, and I'm so happy that I got it. So anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this like apple cinnamon oatmeal. Sometimes I'll add almonds to it, but yeah, this is what I usually have when I'm like breaking my intermittent fast, and yeah, it's been going really well. So I usually do like instrumentals while I'm doing work. It allows me to focus a lot more. So chat with you soon. Guys, so my meeting for the day is done. On Fridays I usually only have one like big meeting, and it went really well. So now it's like noon-ish, like 12:30, and I am actually trying to get some work done that I was telling you guys about, trying to figure out a headshot situation. I'm gonna be on this panel in March that I'm super excited about, but I don't have any updated headshots. So believe it or not, my screen's quite but anyway, believe it or not, this is from my senior year of college, y'all. I look so young. This is 2019, right before the pandemic. I may end up using something like this. Honestly, just looking at these photos, I'm not gonna lie, like, it kind of made me emotional, because just thinking about how far I've come in my career and just in my life, it's like wild. And even when I just look at this like baby photo of me, like, little Ema had no idea like what was to come, and that's actually been kind of like some things that I've been thinking of this like past month, that I want to work on celebrating myself more. And I don't know if a lot of people talk about this on YouTube, but I think it's kind of like a part of imposter syndrome, where you like downplay your success and you downplay like how far you've come and like the work that you're capable of doing or the work that you've accomplished. And that is something that's super huge. I want to stop, I don't know, it's not refusing, but I want to stop neglecting to celebrate myself, because it's worth celebrating, and it's like, that's how you build self-confidence. And yeah, I just found myself last year kind of downplaying a lot of just like my success, and I don't want to do that anymore. And this, like I said, it just made me so emotional, because these photos specifically, I just took on self-timer, and I just remember the fire in my eyes, but not only in my eyes, in my mind. I had gone through a lot, and going through a lot during the time that this photo was taken, but you would never really know it, because I had built up so much resilience. And that is just so crazy to think about, which is why like therapy is so important, because it has helped me unpack and take a step back from my life and look at it from like the outside looking in, because that's how people see you, you know? So yeah, I don't know if anyone needed to hear that, but it's so important to celebrate yourself and remember how far you've come. It's like making me so emotional. Like, you are so worth celebrating. You're so worth being proud of, and like every accomplishment is so valuable. So do not downplay those. But I would definitely let you guys know about the panel. If it's for the public, a panel with African American representation in the STEM field with like career talk and stuff. So some of my friends from U of I are gonna be on the panel, which is really cool. I will drop the link on Instagram or on a future video since we have some time. So yeah, I just have been in a huge reflective, like emotional state sometimes, because I have so many goals that I want to reach and so many accomplishments that like are so attainable, and it kind of gives me chills just knowing the way that my life has changed so much. And I'm just so grateful. Like, I am so grateful. And that's why, like I said, I want to encourage everyone to keep pushing forward. Like, you will never ever know what the future holds unless you literally create it and go after it and keep pushing. So I'm gonna decide on this. So I feel like because I haven't vlogged in so long, this is like kind of a chatty vlog, and I don't want to be chatting too much. But as far as work, we have been working on a couple different projects as a team. But like I said, my project specifically has been a bit delayed with a couple of my colleagues. So I'm working on finalizing that. We've also been focusing on allergen data. So that's another section in the food industry that has to be like sorted out and like kind of fine-tuned, just to make sure that certain foods have declarations regarding the allergen. So some people are allergic to nuts, some people are allergic to seafood, soy, barley, latex, wheat, all these different products. People are allergic to them, and every allergen has to be declared for the products that get developed. So if you guys are new here, I work for a global food company, and so it's just really interesting kind of seeing all the details that go into it. Guys, so I am currently editing this vlog, trying to get it up tonight. Y'all, this is real time. It is currently Sunday, but honestly, watching this vlog, I am so just like, I love it. I genuinely love it, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I kind of stopped vlogging after a while because Fridays are a pretty slow day at work. We just kind of have a couple like major things to do, and then it's kind of just pretty chill in the afternoon as I finished up some work. I had a really great weekend. I hope you guys are doing well. I am preparing for a full work week, and I'm thinking I'm gonna film a week in my life because it's been a while, you guys. It's been a while, and I think it's time, and I'm super excited for the week that's coming up. So if you guys like this vlog, definitely give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you guys are new. Let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you guys would like to see, what you really enjoyed about this vlog, if it resonates with you, because honestly, rewatching this footage like got me emotional. But I just definitely want to share more of those like real life things with you guys, because that's honest truth. Like, that's just genuinely the raw me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure to follow me on IG if you already do not, and more vlogs to come. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.